Tapcons aren't cheap, but they do work. Now, there are some errors that can make them not work so well. I put together a quick video to show you how I have found that they work best. I'll also go through some of those errors that will make them not work. I've tried all kinds of concrete fasteners, and these are my favorite. It's a good feeling when you snug it up and it just torques in there. The most important factor is that you use the right size masonry bit for the right size Tapcon. The smallest diameter they make is 3/16. Then they go up in size. There's 1/4 inch. Then they go up to 5/16. Next, they've got 3/8, and they even have 1/2 inch ones. But you gotta make sure you have the right size masonry bit. If you have one size too small, you're gonna break your Tapcons, and it's easy to mix them up. When you drill your hole into the concrete, you got to make sure that the hole is deep enough. If the tip of the Tapcon bottoms out in the hole, you're going to strip out all your threads in the block. So make sure you drill the hole deeper than you need. A hammer drill is extremely important. Now, some of these cordless drills do have a hammer drill on them. I find a corded drill works a lot better because of the speed. Now, here's an easy mistake to make. Spinning the bit backwards. The bit won't cut, it'll get cherry red and burn off the tip. Double check the direction. It's best if you pre-drill your holes in the wood because these are masonry bits. They don't cut through wood very well. They're designed to cut through concrete. When you put in the Tapcon, I like to put them in by hand. That way, if you feel things tighten up, you can catch it before it becomes a problem. If it does tighten up, you can back up a little bit and then go forward until everything runs smooth. If things get too tight, you can twist the head right off of these things. And those are some basic tips that I have found that have worked. Now, if you use these and you've got some tips, please leave them in the comments down below. I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.